touching a million coochie. Doing good, jump Gucci. Fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we it feel like a movie. Rock ain't never been a groupie. Still on a hoe, I like my nigga bougie. Tell me you don't.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. I'm a dog, I'm on one.
Hey y'all, so I just got out of the shower as you guys just saw, and I definitely would recommend the EOS body wash because it smells so good, so good. Target, y'all need to sponsor me because I feel like I look. But anyways, today I'm going out with my friends. Today is one of my friends' birthdays, and we're going to watch some fireworks. They have like this little festive thing going on because obviously today's July 4th. The 4th of July, as they would call it. But yeah, so we're gonna go watch some fireworks. We're gonna go out to eat. We have a couple different things going on. I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me. I have no idea what I'm wearing today, not gonna lie, but we gonna figure it out. I'm about to start my makeup, y'all. Yeah, I'm finally trying this new trending L'Oreal Paris setting spray. I used it like I think like 2 weeks ago or like I don't know. I was going out with my friends again because you know, like I said, I'm trying to be outside. But what's it called? I used it and it actually works very well, very well. I feel like, what's it called? The only thing is like when you spray it, Jack, you really like feel it. Like it's very, I don't know how to explain it, but I definitely do recommend it. Okay y'all, so it's 5:36 and we are finally done with my makeup. Now we're just gonna work on my hair, and then I got some press-on nails that I'm gonna put on today, and that's pretty much gonna be it. Now I'm gonna bring you guys along. Oh, copyright, sorry y'all. What's it called? And I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to everything that we're doing today. But my camera's not gonna be out the entire time because obviously, you know, I want to enjoy my time with my friends and not just have cameras in their faces like the entire time. So hey guys, the quality is so good. It sounds cinematic. So we have some fried dough. Oh my gosh. This is washing it all now. And one fried Oreo. Yes.